Good afternoon, everybody. This is Christina Maddox, your wedding planner, destination wedding planner, and an international travel agent, Heaven Sent Wedding Consultants and Travel Agency. I am here at the Majestic Elegance at Costa Mujeres. And you might ask yourself, where's Costa Mujeres? Costa Mujeres is 30 minutes from the Cancun airport, okay? And I'm bringing this video to show you the 2-bathroom junior ocean view suite that I am staying in. And I wanted to show you this as an option if you were interested in staying at this property, okay? So I'm just gonna turn the camera around. Okay. So I'm just gonna show you the deck area here. Okay. So this is your jacuzzi, and as you can see, it does work. See that? It works. It works. This is your deck right outside your room. Look at that long infinity pool. Is that crazy? Looking right outside the ocean there. Gorgeous. This is my view. So now I'm going to take you back into the room. Okay. So your room actually comes with a fully stocked bar. Okay. So you have this, your ice, water pot. That's your refrigerator that comes fully stocked. They will actually replenish all your coffee here. Okay. Snackies is in there. Your desk. Have a little bar seating area here. Sofa. Little gifts that they give you here, welcome kit. Coffee mug. Just wanted to show you that your remotes are sterilized, sanitized, and sealed. That's your seating area. This resort is 24-hour room service. This is your half bath, okay? So if you are entertaining your guests will actually use this bathroom. They're coming into the door. When you order room service, your room service will bring your meals here. And when you are done with your meals, you put it there. And they will take it from your room. So room service will bring your meals, they'll set it here. When you are done with your meals, you put it in that area. That way your room won't smell like the food that you've eaten. You have your king size bed here. That's your phone, your second TV, your remote that has been sanitized and sealed. Your phone here. Headboard. Those are your robes. Complimentary. And then another sliding door area here. This is the other side of your deck. See that? Just the other side. Still ocean view. Come out here, have your coffee right on your deck, and that's your view. Doesn't get much better than that, guys. So outside is your jacuzzi, but in here, this is your hot tub. So that is your hot tub. That's your safe there. Full length mirror. You also have, they give you a steamer to use. Areas for his and her for clothes. Makeup mirror. Dual sink. And they work. These are the products here that they have at Majestic. Your other sink. Your towels. Majestic. And then you have your shower. So you have your rain shower area. You have a rain shower there. And then you also have your handheld. And see, these products here are replaced daily as you use them. And then your second toilet here. And you also have a phone here as well. So there you have it, guys. So this is, again, this is your 2-bathroom ocean view junior suite. Where is at Majestic Elegance in Costa Mujeres. If you're interested in booking this property, contact me, Christina Maddox, your international travel agent, 267-334-0301. You can also go to our website, heavensentweddings.com, or you can also DM me on either Facebook or Instagram. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you're interested in the property, I look forward to helping you with your reservation. Have a blessed day, guys. Bye.